Spacious rooms, a view so wide. Sunrooms, peace, wildlife outside. Central air and warmth galore. Mahoney's charm, you'll adore. Cozy fireplace, high ceilings too. Modern comfort just for you. Wine cellars, storage, space to play. Come make this home yours today.